All right, a little update. This is probably, well, fingers crossed, hopefully the last time that I go to Lowe's. I got a tower fan and a trash can and some chains and some citronella candles and just the last little bits and pieces of things that I needed to make sure that the glampsite is absolutely complete and ready for someone to stay. Because next weekend, today's Saturday, next weekend I actually have, we did a giveaway, well, charity. We gave away free, well, we're giving it away. They purchased for the charity, 2-night stay. So next Friday and Saturday night, we'll actually have our first guest at the glampsite. The glampsite is live on Airbnb. We do have some bookings already, but this first person that's staying out there just happens to be a charity. So that's pretty cool. We gave a giveaway to Kisses for Kate, which is like a cancer charity here locally in Greensboro and Guilford County and the surrounding Piedmont Triad area. So yeah, just wanted to give a little update. I'll update you guys on what I'm doing there today, and hopefully I'll have everything finished. I know that I'm gonna have to go out there again tomorrow because the wash basin sink that I have for the outdoor kitchen doesn't arrive today until like 1 o'clock, but I have some stuff I want to do out there, so I'm gonna go out there and do it, and then I'll just drive back out there again tomorrow and finish it all up. All right, thanks.